In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, you've got the super quick method of locating IMEI number. It's the secret code. To do it, just reach your phone dialer, and once you see keypad, enter *pound or £6. And as you can see, IMEI numbers are just in front of you. Click on OK to close this panel. And now to open IMEI along with serial number, you need to open Settings, then find and select System, and go to Advanced. Here select About Phone, and now under Status you will find IMEI Number by IMEI Information. Just tap on IMEI Information, and a bit lower you've got a serial number of your device. And this is it. This is how you can locate those unique numbers assigned to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.